mixed reality, there are so many usability out there. Now, the question here is, what can we use mixed reality to help us actually achieve our targets? For example, getting more efficient, having process in place that will help me actually optimizing the way that I do my work, but also thinking about sustainability. How can I reduce my carbon footprint and having less emissions? I think right now it's a quite hot topic, especially because the pandemic has shown us that we need to think differently. And the manpower in the workforce is flexible enough actually to get adapted to circumstances. Having said that, at FroXx, we do target two segments of the Industry 4.0. The first segment is around what we call the towers, so the towers companies. Just imagine the rollout of 5G. So there will be a need of installing new antennas in those given towers. And we can help them with the mixed reality, providing intelligence, providing a process, providing the associated software and the capabilities actually to get those installations shorter, more efficient, at lower cost, and leveraging the workforce which is already available for them. So they don't need to retrain the people, to retrain the workforce that have been rolling out and installing the antennas for 3G and 4G. Instead, they can use the capability, the embedded intelligence that they're going to provide throughout the software and the process embedded for the rollout. The other industry, or the other segment of the same industry that we're targeting, is the infrastructure industry, and more specifically the data centers. Data centers, one of the given pain point what they have is about what they call the extended hands or the hands and eyes type of work. And that is something that is being done by highly qualified engineers, typically inside of the data centers and on behalf of their customers or even their customers' customers. So just imagine a situation, there is a very big player that's sitting in the Silicon Valley and is providing instructions towards the data center in Frankfurt. So basically today, there is a group of people flying to Frankfurt to make sure that those instructions and those installations, they are accordingly to the expectation of the central office out of Silicon Valley. Now with mixed reality, we can short that up. So we can provide auditable, totally comprehensive, and totally efficient with very low carbon footprint. The instructions coming throughout the Silicon Valley directly to the field operation or to the smart hands, if you will, inside of the data center. There will be a game changer. There will be a lot of help into this segment of the Industry 4.0. And that's all about that. It's automation, it's combined analytics, it's having AI applied and that into our favor. So the motto of FroXx and all the research and development that we're doing here right now is actually to meld the human being with the hardware, with the machines, and providing the software, the proper solution throughout the software, actually to make that as a unit.